In 1997, the U.S. Navy picked up a sound from the depths of the Pacific Ocean. So loud, it could be heard over 3,000 miles away. They called it the Bloop. At first, scientists were baffled. The sound resembled a living creature, but it was far louder than any whale ever recorded. Theories exploded. Was it a massive, undiscovered sea monster? A prehistoric beast like the Kraken? Or even evidence of something lurking beneath the waves we've never seen? For years, the mystery grew, feeding imaginations and conspiracy theories alike. But later research suggested a less terrifying answer: giant icebergs cracking and breaking apart deep in the ocean. Still, for many, the Bloop remains the closest thing to proof that the ocean hides secrets we may never fully understand. After all, we've only explored a fraction of the sea, so who knows what's really out there?